Hello everyone! Welcome to Color Our World of Art. I smell flowers. Show your appreciation with this paper flower straw. Materials are in the description. First, draw the head of a tulip flower, as in the video, onto a piece of pink paper. First, draw a curve that looks like a U, then a W in the middle of it, connecting both curve ends to form a tulip flower head. Then use a pair of scissors to cut the flower out. Follow its outline carefully with the scissors. Next, fold the whole tulip head up like an accordion fan, starting from the bottom, folding each section 1 cm wide. Then use a hole puncher to punch a hole into the middle of the folded flower strip, large enough for your straw to enter. You should measure the diameter of the straw before punching the hole to ensure the hole will be big enough. Then unfold the flower. Next, cut strips of green paper 0.5 cm wide. Stick the first strip of paper on one end of the straw. And wind it tightly around the straw to cover it. When the strip reaches its end, stick the end onto the straw and repeat the stick, wind, stick process with more paper strips until the straw is fully covered. Next, stuff the straw into the holes of the flower and straighten out the flower. The end of the straw should hide below the top of the flower. Next, fold the remaining green paper in half. Draw a long, thin leaf and hold both layers tight together to cut through them to get 2 paper leaves. Then, stick the bottom of the leaves onto the end of the flower stalk and you're done! Whoa, a beautiful flower! It doesn't leave a scent, but it sure leaves smiles on people's faces. Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.